Good morning, children. Today we have to learn letters with matras. Before starting that matras, we have to revise that yesterday's class, that is vowels and consonants. Yesterday we learned vowels. Look at the board. A, E, E, U, U, A, I, O, Au, A. Repeat this. A, E, E, U, A, I, O, Au, A. Understood this? These are vowels. Next, consonants. Vyanjanakshara. Ka, Kh, Ga, Kh, Nga. Kavarga. Once more. Ka, Kh, Ga, Kh, Nga. Next, Chavarga. Chavargam. Cha, Ch, Ja, Ch, Nya. Next, Davarg. Da, Th, Da, Th, Na. Once more. Da, Th, Da, Th, Na. Next, Tavarg. Ta, Th, Da, Th, Na. Next, Pavarg. Pa, Bha, Ba, Pha, Ma. Next letters. Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha. These are consonants. Vyanjanaksharangal. Look at the board. Which letter is this? Ka. Next. Which letter is this? Ma. Okay. Is this consonant or vowel? Consonants. Okay, good. Which letter is this? A. Next. Which letter is this? O. Is this consonant or vowel? Vowels. Okay. Next. Look here. Identify the letter and read it. First you identify these letters. Then read. Which letter is this? A. This. Ga. Next. Va. Next letter. O. This. U. Next letter. Ma. Next letter. La. Can you identify these letters? Okay, good. Next, read the question first. Write the next letter. Next letter. O. Next letter is O. O. Au. Ka. Next letter. Kha. Sa. Ha. Say the next letter. U. O. Au. Ka. Kha. Sa. Ha. Okay, understood. Next letter. Next question is, read the following letters and circle the letter the. First you find out the, from these letters, first you find out the letter the. Then circle it. Find out the letter da. Is this da or ka? Ka. Next letter da. Next find out the letter da. Okay. Understood? Next is, read the next question. Write the letters comes before and after the given letter. Here there are some letters. You write the before letter and after. Before, which one is before? A. 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 Next letter is E. E. Next, which letter is this? Before letter O. Before letter O. O. A. Look at this letter O. Before letter I. I. O. Ow. Next, which is this letter? Ra. Before Ya. Ya. Ra. Next letter is La. Ya. Ra. La. This. Before letter is Sha. Sha. Sa. Once more. A. E. O. A. I. O. Ow. Next. Ya. Ra. La. Sha. Sha. Sa. Next, we will start the letters and matras. Letters with matras. There. Today's portion is also letters with matras. Let's start. Okay. What is this? These are vowels. What are these? These are vowels. A, I, U, O, A, I, O, Ow, A. Next, we have to write its matras. ഈ സ്വരാക്ഷരങ്ങളുടെ മാത്രാസ് താഴെ ഇച്ചിരൂടെ താഴെ എഴുതാൻ പോവാണ്. ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. ആയ്ക്ക് മാത്രകളൊന്നുമില്ല. There is no matra for ആ. ആയ്ക്ക് മാത്രകളൊന്നുമില്ല. Next, ആ matra. This is matra. E. U. ഇതെല്ലാം മാത്രകൾ മാത്രമാണ്. മാത്ര സിമ്പിൾസ് മാത്രമാണ്. ഓക്കെ. എ, ഐ, O, Ow, A. These are symbols. ഇനി സിമ്പിൾസ് എവിടെയാണ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? കൺസണൻസ്, അതായത് വ്യഞ്ജനാക്ഷരങ്ങളുടെ കൂടെ മാത്രമാണ് ഈ സിമ്പിൾസ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഡോണ്ട് യൂസ് ഇൻ വവൽസ്. വവൽസിൽ യൂസ് ചെയ്യത്തില്ല. For example, one letter is here. Which letter is this? Ka. Ka. Next, letters with matras. Letters ന്റെ കൂടെ matras ഉപയോഗിച്ച് എഴുതുമ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് നോക്കിക്കേ. Ka. K. plus a is equal to ka. Next, k plus a is equal to ka. Understood? Then k plus e is equal to ki. Next, k plus e is equal to ki. Next, k plus o is equal to ku. Next, k plus o is equal to ku. K plus ir is equal to kr. Next, k plus a is equal to k. Next, k plus I is equal to chi. K plus o is equal to ko. K plus ao is equal to cow. K plus is equal to come. K plus a is equal to ka. Then read this. Ka, ki, ku, kr, ke, kai, ko, cow, come, ka. Understood? Then I write the next one more letter. Which letter is this? Cha. Then write the letter with matras. Join the letter with matras. Cha, cha, chi, 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 chu, chu, ch, che, chai, cho, chow, chum, cha. Read once more. Cha, cha, chi, chi, chu, chu, ch, che, chai, cho, chow, chum, cha. Say another letter. Can you say another letter? Now. Okay. Now. Now. Na. Ni. Ni. Nu. Nu. Nir. Ne. Nai. No. Now. Num. Now. ഇങ്ങനെ എല്ലാ കൺസണൻസിലും മാത്രാസ് ഉപയോഗിച്ച് നമുക്ക് എഴുതാം. Then one more letter. I write one more letter. Which letter is this? Ga. Which letter is this? Ga. 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 Ga എഴുതുമ്പോൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം, ഗായ്ക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു അടയാളം ഉണ്ട്, അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ വണ്ണം. ഗ, ഗ, ഗി, ഗി. ഈ അടയാളം കണ്ടോ, ഈ അടയാളം ഇവിടെയാണ് ടച്ച് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ഗി, ഗി, ഗു. Gu is right like this. Gu. Don't write this is wrong. Gu. Gu. Gir. Gir. Ge. Gai. Go. Go. Gum. Ga. Read once more. Ga. Ga. Gi. Gi. Gu. Gu. Gir. Ge. Gai. Go. Go. Gum. Ga. Understood? ഇതെല്ലാം സിമ്പിൾസ് ആണ്, വവൽസിന്റെ സിമ്പിൾസ്. Once more, letters with matras: a, a, i, u, a, I, o, a. ഈ സ്വരാക്ഷരങ്ങളുടെ അടയാളം സിമ്പിൾസ് ആണ് ഇത്. ഓക്കെ, this. Look at the first consonant, ka. Ka, ka. Matras join ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. ka, ka, ki, ki, ku, ku, kir, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, ka. Next, read this. Read and understand. K plus A is equal to ka. Next, K plus A is equal to ka. Next, K plus E is equal to ki. K plus E is equal to ki. അപ്പോൾ ഈയുടെ അടയാളമാണ്, സിമ്പിളാണ് ഇത്. K plus U is equal to ku. K plus U is equal to ku. K plus is equal to kr. K plus A is equal to k. K plus I is equal to kai. K plus O is equal to ko. K plus au is equal to cow. K plus is equal to cow. K plus a is equal to ka. Ka, ka, ki, ki, ku, ku, k, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, ka. These are letters with matras. Join together. Ch plus U is equal to chu. Read this. L plus E is equal to li. Th plus O is equal to so. Next, the plus A is equal to they. T plus U is equal to two. അതുപോലെ രു ഊ രാ ഊ അടയാളം നോക്കിക്കേ എവിടെ എഴുതുന്നതാണ് ഊ രു ലൈക്ക് ദിസ് ടു g plus o is equal to go. Can you say these answers? G plus a is equal to dash. Say the answer. G plus a is equal to take. Okay. G plus O is equal to. Can you tell the answer? G plus O is equal to go. S plus U is equal to S plus U is equal to Su. Next, Pa plus A. P plus A is equal to Pa. Understood? Next, once more revise the matras. Letters with matras. Ka, ka, ki, ki, ku, ku, kar, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, ka. Read this. Read this. Which letter is this? Cha. Cha, cha, chi, chi, chu, chu, ch, che, chai, cho, chow, chum, cha. Next letter. Which letter is this? Na. Na, na, ni, ni, nu, no, nir, ne, nai, no, now, num, na. Okay. Once more read. K plus I is equal to ka. K plus A is equal to ka. K plus E is equal to ki. K plus E is equal to ki. K plus O is equal to ku. K plus O is equal to ku. K plus R is equal to kr. K plus A is equal to k. K plus I is equal to kai. K plus O is equal to ko. K plus au is equal to cow. K plus is equal to come. K plus a is equal to cow. Next, assignment. This is for your assignment. You take your notebook and write the questions first. Write the letters with matras. First letter is cha. Cha ഉപയോഗിച്ച് ചായയുടെ എല്ലാ മാത്രസ്, അതായത് ച ചാ, ചി ചി, ചു ചു, ച് ചേ, ചൈ ചോ, ചൗ ചം ച. അതുപോലെ ഡ ഡ ഡാ, ഡി ഡി, ഡു ഡു, ഡ് ഡേ, ഡൈ, ഡോ, ഡൗ, ഡം, ഡ. ഫസ്റ്റ് യു ലേൺ ഓൾ സിമ്പിൾസ്. സിമ്പിൾസ് പഠിച്ചാൽ മാത്രമേ ഈ കൺസണൻസിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഇത് ഉപയോഗിക്കാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. ത ത, തി തി, തു തു, ത് തേ, തൈ, തോ, തൗ, തം ത. ലൈക്ക് ഗ ഗ ഗ, ഗി ഗി, ഗു ഗു, ഗർ, ഗെ, ഗൈ, ഗോ, ഗൗ, gum, ga. This is for your assignment. All of you take your notebook and write this assignment.